Voting by mail is one of the easiest ways to vote in the United States and allows you to fill out your ballot at home and send it in when it's convenient for you. To vote by mail, you will first need to register to vote if you haven't done so already. You can register in person, by mail, or online if your state offers it. Once you're registered to vote, you can request an absentee ballot from your state election office website. In some states, anyone can request an absentee ballot and vote by mail. 6 states allow voters to choose permanent vote by mail status. However, other states require a valid excuse for not voting in person. Once you receive your absentee ballot in the mail, fill it out and mail it back to the provided address by the deadline. According to vote.org, if you live in Oregon, Washington, Colorado, or Hawaii, you don't need to request an absentee ballot. Ballots are automatically mailed to every registered voter for each election. If you live in one of these states and you want to vote by mail, fill out the ballot you receive and send it to the provided address, or drop it off at a designated location by your state's deadline.